Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I want to show you my foundation that I love to use. This is the face tape from Tarte, and I just love that they have pretty safe ingredients, and I love that their makeup is pretty long lasting and really high quality as well. So I'm not a professional makeup artist. I just do it this way. I apply a pump on each side of my face and then try to blend it into my skin. I like to tap my brush to just make the foundation stay on longer, and I just try to get it on evenly. Sometimes I'll put it on the brush just to have a more controlled application. And I love how this foundation looks natural. It's not super heavy, but it does give just the perfect coverage, and I like how it blends. So if you're in the market for an awesome foundation, I highly recommend you add this to your collection. The face tape from Tarte is a really great foundation. I really think that you'll like it, but that's just my point of view.